All right, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for the Donna's we have one of our famous 408 Windsor stroker motors here. This thing came out absolutely awesome. Take a look at it. We got this motor set up. We got the late model 351 block. Did the custom paint on here, the burgundy color. This thing really looks sharp. Got the Eagle 408 stroke rotating assembly. Got a custom ground hydraulic roller camshaft in this model. Got the Adabrock E Street aluminum cylinder heads with the comp cam springs, retainers and keepers. We got the stainless steel roller rockers and the manly push rods. For the intake, we're running the Adabrock air gap with the 800 CFM Adabrock carburetor, and we got the MSD Pro Build distributor. If you're interested in this specific engine package or like to have one custom tailored to your needs, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940 or check us out online at proformanceunlimited.com. Let's take over Donna. I think you're pretty impressed.